Hello, Miguel. My name is Latrina. Yesterday you spoke with my son and he offered a free video sharing some things that you can do to your online presence to help you um, continue to grow and grab more traffic and, of course, grab more customers. So this is your custom video we've made for you. There's no selling in the video. We do this on the side when we're not busy with our normal work, but we believe givers gain. So for us, it's important to do this and to bring value to other businesses and our community. So at the end of the video, please let us know you've watched it, what you thought about it. We do take pride in this, and to us, it's important to make sure that our videos are actually helpful and beneficial. If you have questions afterwards, feel free to let us know that as well, because that just helps us to know where we can improve. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go over content, backlinks, and citations in your video and explain why these are important website elements. I'll take a look at your online presence and I'll make recommendations if I see any. Content is made of words, images, and videos. You want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage and at least 500 on your back pages. This allows Google to spend time on your website, grab your relevant keywords, and put those front and center in front of customers who are looking for your services. Citations are directory listings like Google or Yelp. It's your business name, your address, and your phone number. There's a sample on the screen for you, but you want to have as many of these citations throughout the internet and even more than your competition to set you apart. Then there are backlinks, and backlinks is your website address being placed on other websites. So if you have a Facebook page, if you're on LinkedIn, Instagram, Yelp, any of these are backlinks that are helping to drive traffic to your website, okay? The more backlinks you have, the more popular your website becomes. And in the eyes of Google, the more backlinks you have, it validates your business, okay? They place extreme emphasis on how many websites backlinks a company has. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure your backlinks are relevant to your line of work. You're in home improvement, so you wouldn't have web backlinks that are associated with beauty parlors or gyms or anything like that. You want to keep it relevant, okay? So let's take a peek at before we come to your website, which is beautiful, by the way, let's go over to Google. So when we search for organic keywords, this is what people are naturally typing in to find services in your area. They would type in something like home improvement contractors, Gaithersburg, Maryland. Okay, this is how Google identifies keywords. So the first thing that would occur is usually you find ads at the top of the screen. Ads are okay, but a lot of people have ad blockers. And also services like Home Advisor and Thumbtack, they're charging their customers an arm and a leg, in my opinion, to get leads. But those leads are not exclusive. They're sharing the leads with 4 other businesses. So all 5 businesses pay for that lead. Only one business will land it. The prime real estate is here in the Google pack. And this is where Google has placed the top 3 businesses in their eyes who fall under home improvement contractors for Gaithersburg, Maryland. Again, the way to get here in the map pack is to have sufficient content, to have lots of backlinks and citations. Further down, Google continues to rank businesses in order of preference. Ideally, you be on the first couple of pages, 3rd page at least. Any pages further than that, most people are not venturing off that far into Google to find contractors or to find services or products, right? They are usually making decisions here in the map pack. About 30 to 40% of decision making, clicking is occurring here. And then further down, usually on the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd page, okay? So let's take a look at your page. First of all, as I mentioned, it's beautiful, very pleasing to the eye. The one thing I would say is you have very beautiful imagery, but you're not taking advantage of keyword tagging. So for example, if I take a look here and look at how you save this image, it's a random code or name here, numbers, random numbers and letters. To Google, that means nothing. And even though Google will search your website and look for words to describe your services, they are also searching on the back end how you've named your images as well. So take advantage of that. Every image that you have, they're all beautiful, take advantage. For example, here I would have probably named this bathroom remodeling, and then name the city, Gaithersburg, Maryland. Another bathroom remodel, Gaithersburg, Maryland. Custom kitchen remodel or something, Gaithersburg, Maryland. And don't limit it to Gaithersburg. If you provide services, for example, in Rockville, Bethesda, Washington, D.C., Germantown, even Frederick, where I'm at, don't hesitate to highlight those too and showcase those in your tagging and in your keywords. But again, your page is lacking content. So my primary recommendation is to add content to your page. 1,500 words at least to outrank your competition, and at least 500 on your back pages, okay? Now, if we take a look at your stats right now, you are ranking as a 0 popularity ranking with Google. You have 38 backlinks. You had 52. These are extremely low numbers. Again, continue to add backlinks. This is something that is a continual thing in order to rank and maintain your ranking with Google. Same thing with referring domains. You have 6, you had 11. These are very extremely low numbers. And also, we look at your keywords right now. There are only 2 buyer intent keywords that I see listed here. The DMV remodeling, 30 people search for that a month, and you're ranking number 55. DMV Home Improvement LLC, you're ranking number 69, 20 people searching for that. So you're going to want more buyer intent keywords like bathroom remodeling in Gaithersburg, bathroom remodeling in Washington, D.C., these are just examples of keywords. To get ideas, look at your website, see what services you provide, and highlight those throughout your website. See, whole home renovations, tile and flooring installations, new room additions, painting services. You have so many opportunities, but you're not showcasing them with your keywords. And mostly the reason for that is you don't have a lot of content to place those keywords. So keywords are essential, but you can't showcase them without appropriate content. So build up your content, get those backlinks and citations, and you will continually see your online presence improve. And in fact, if over time, if you utilize the tips that I've shown you, you can find your website listed on the first few pages of Google, and even you have a chance here of getting your business here in the Map Pack. With that, I'm going to end your video. I hope it's been helpful. Please let us know. Please let us know. We don't get much feedback, but the feedback we do get, we try to improve with that feedback. So let us know what you thought. If we can clarify anything for you or answer questions, please let us know that as well. We are happy to do so. In the meantime, have a great weekend, and I wish you much success with your business. Take care.